Maayong buntag mga kapaglaom. Welcome to Health Beats. Are you experiencing infrequent and difficult passage of small amounts of hard, dry stools? Or are you having fewer than 3 bowel movements in a week? If you do, then constipation is present. Constipation, if not corrected, will result to hemorrhoids, fecal impaction, or rectal prolapse. Poor diets is a main cause of constipation. A diet high in animal fats, refined sugar, but little in fiber and fluids. In addition, lack of exercise, immobility, use of certain medications, poor bowel movement habits, and laxative abuse are also considered causes of constipation. However, a diet high in dietary fiber and increased fluid intake will help resolve constipation. Dietary fiber can be added to a diet by emphasizing whole grain breads and cereals, fruits and vegetables, dried beans, peas, and nuts. 3 to 5 servings of vegetables and fruits every day is recommended to prevent constipation. Water intake should be increased to 8 to 10 glasses daily in order to produce or develop soft stool. Next time you will experience constipation, try a high-fiber diet, drink water, and exercise, and you will feel good. This is Miss Laila reminding you, whatever you eat or drink, do it for the glory of God. Be healthy. It's a wise choice.